to the data from the CDC, more than 240,000 people are diagnosed with breast cancer each year. One researcher says advocacy must shift from treatment to prevention. And if CBS 21's Elise Person, she's talking tonight about one woman's unique story in her fight and how UPMC researchers are working to prevent stories like hers altogether.
My husband was diagnosed with leukemia on Valentine's Day. And after his month stay at Hopkins for his induction phase of his treatment, I was in the shower and I realized it was mammogram time. And sure enough, I got in the very next day and went from mammogram to ultrasound to looks like you have breast cancer.
Pam Prowell, balancing a breast cancer diagnosis and a husband fighting for his life.
I was literally going to chemotherapy once a week, on top of running my husband to Hopkins 4 days a week.
8 months after her diagnosis,
I finished my radiation on January 27th and got my husband home on January 30th, and he was able to pass away at home on January 31st.
Now, to prevent stories like Pam's, researchers partnering with UPMC are steadily moving towards a breast cancer prevention vaccine.
What the goal of this vaccine is that for women to never hear the diagnosis, you have breast cancer.
Something Pam says would be instrumental to women everywhere.
So if an immunization or a vaccine is going to be the golden ticket, I want that.
Dr. Olivera Finn has worked on this vaccine for the past 30 years. She says through already completed trials, they have learned women with invasive cancer are not good candidates for a vaccine.
And we now know why. The immune system is very compromised in cancer patients. In a way, it is already a lost battle.
But a trial made up of 50 precancerous women could be the next step to preventing that battle altogether. Cancer-free and a survivor, Pam says the impacts of this vaccine could be major.
Knowing that you could have a vaccine that could help and support your immune system to fight something so evil in your body, that'd be amazing.
Dr. Finn says they should be receiving the green light for their trial to begin any day now. That will be followed by a phase 3 trial, meaning the vaccine likely isn't going to be rolled out to the public for another few years. In Cumberland County, Elise Person, CBS 21 News.